Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Premiere Pro, open the sequence with your captions, and make a duplicate sequence so you can revert if needed. Once done, confirm captions are open captions. This method only works with open captions because they convert to graphics. Make sure the text or captions panel is visible. If not, enable it from Window. Now select the caption clip on the timeline so you can convert text into a graphic layer in the Essential Graphics workflow. You will convert by creating a graphic per caption line. Right-click the open caption clip and choose Convert to Editable Graphics or use Export/Import if needed. This moves text into Essential Graphics. Once the text is editable, select the Type tool, create a new graphic layer, then paste or retype the caption text. You should copy timing, split the graphic to match caption in and out points, or use keyboard shortcuts to nudge. This gives full design control. Fonts, finish by styling the new graphics. Apply font, size, color, and any motion or animation through Essential Graphics. Use responsive design for position. Once styled, render the segment to verify smooth playback and check that each graphic lines up with spoken audio. If text appears missing or timing is off, make sure you originally had open captions. Closed captions won't convert. If something breaks, revert to your duplicated sequence and repeat conversion more deliberately, matching in /out points and layer order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.